Today we're unboxing the Garmin Alpha 300i. Let's get into it. So usually when I open things like this, I like to see them taped so I know that no one else has opened them before. In the box we've got an antenna. This is a VHF antenna. Documentation, looks like owner's manual. Warnings, set those aside. They do have a pretty good online owner's manual, but I'll take a look at this later. Bag here with accessories. USB A to C charge cable. Belt clip. This looks like a belt clip for your belt clip. Wall adapter for your Type A to C cable. User replaceable battery. And this looks like a cover for the antenna port. And then finally, here it is, the beast itself. The Garmin Alpha 300i. What do you think, bud? I'm really excited to put this to the test. I'll do a full review later. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments.